Hello, I'm Miss Stephanie,
And I'm Miss Lil.
and we're from the Steele Memorial Library, a branch of the Wayne County Public Library. And today we're here to tell you some tips and some things that you can do with your little kids now that spring is not here.
I know, it's almost here.
I
It's
know.
warming up.
It is. So when we think about spring, what do you think about most, Miss Lil?
Well, I like to think about warm weather and the flowers, but I also think about more rain.
Yes.
Yeah. But the wind also.
But we have to have the rain for flowers.
Flowers, I know.
So we got to kind of go with both. But yeah, so we're going to talk a little bit about wind today. Now, when you think about wind, we can't really see the wind,
No.
can we?
We can see the effects of the wind sometimes.
Right. So we can see things blowing. Maybe you have a flag outside your house or something like that, so you can see it. Can you hear it?
When it gets really loud, you can.
If it's blowing pretty hard, you
Yep.
can hear the wind, right? Let's see. Can you feel the wind?
You can.
You can. Yeah.
You can feel it on your skin.
You can. So we brought some things with us today that maybe you have outside your house or you've seen, and we're going to show you some little fun games you can play with things that you have at home to show your kids how the wind affects different objects. So you want to show them what you
First, this, I like these in my garden because you can see the wind blowing that. My husband thinks it will scare the squirrels out of his peach tree, but it don't work that well. They're not scared of it.
And another thing, maybe you have seen, or maybe you've gotten one of these before. It's a pinwheel. So you can just blow on it and make it turn so you can make your own wind.
That's right.
Yeah. So some other things that we have today, we have some different objects. So Miss Lil, you want to show them a few of the objects?
Well, I just collected some different things. I thought maybe you can go around your house and pick up some things. And if your child's a little older, you can actually ask them which ones do you think will blow the easiest and which ones not so much. And some of these will and some of these won't blow as much.
So,
So
and what determines what's going to blow? How heavy it is. So if you have some heavy things like maybe a rock or a heavy toy or something like that, it's not really going to move very much. Now some of these things, obviously,
yeah,
they're going to blow
pretty
pretty easily. So what we brought with us today is just a hair dryer. Maybe you have one at your house. And what you can do is you can just set all these things out on the table or on the floor or wherever you'd like to do it. And
See if they blow.
we're going to see if they blow. Like Miss Lil said, the older kids can kind of maybe pick out some of the things. What's going to blow away? What's going to not blow away?
But we'll spread those out.
All right, so it's going to be a little noisy here for a second, but we can see
What's going to blow?
Gonna blow.
Oh, off the table it goes.
Oh, there goes that Kleenex.
It's hung on the marshmallow.
That little ball wants to roll a little bit. Doesn't make it. Oh, things are rolling. Oh, that hand sanitizer is not going
No.
anywhere. Oh, that's blowing a little bit. But I just have it on low. I'm going to turn it on high. Oh.
I even saw the hand sanitizer move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That hippo is definitely
No, he's waiting like me.
all right.
He's not going anywhere.
No. So that's just something fun you can do. If you don't have a blow dryer and you have a couple straws, kids could use the straws.
Yeah, and then they can do it themselves and see if they can blow.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. So just some fun things you can do. The spring comes and we get to see the wind blow.
And then go outside and enjoy it.
That's right. That's right. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.
Bye.